Are you looking to use VEO3 for free? If your answer is yes, then let's go together and check out this completely new and free method.
Make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Let's go and learn this new method together.
Alright, dear friends, to use the new free method for VEO3, first make sure to turn on your laptop's VPN and set the location to the United States. Next, go to your browser and type in the address. We've also included the link in the video description, so you can get it from there too. Once you open the link, a page like this will appear. Scroll down and click on Get Started. Then, sign in using your email or Gmail account. A new page will open. Here, click on Explore Catalog. On the next page, click on the search bar and then select Generative AI. In the Open page, click on Generative AI with Vertex AI Prompt Design. Then click on Start Lab and wait around 3 to 4 minutes for the resources to be allocated to you. You'll get about 45 minutes to use VEO3. Now, right-click on Open Google Cloud Console and choose Open Link in Incognito window. Click on the Understand button, then a new window will appear. Tick I agree and continue. On the left side, click on Vertex AI and then click on Media Studio. At the bottom, you can see the generated videos. Now click on VEO Generate Video. On the right side, there are settings where you can choose the VEO3 model, the number of videos to generate from 1 to 4, as well as video duration and video size. Adjust them as you like. In the prompt section, paste your text and click Send. Now wait for about 3 to 4 minutes for the video to be generated. Once it's ready, click the Download button to save your generated video. Great! This time, I'll copy a prompt from ChatGPT. Click the Reset button to start a new video. Paste the new prompt and click Send. Again, it'll take around 3 to 4 minutes to create the new video.
I love horseback riding. I love horseback riding. I love horseback riding.
Alright, dear friends, that was the free method to use VEO3. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.